Welcome to the Agility Speaks Marketing Engine. My name is Mike Bluestone and I am going to walk you through this. So this video is just a general overview of the functions, what the marketing engine is about. So I'm not going to go into great detail on each section. It's more so an overview, and then you will find other videos that go into greater detail on things such as creating an influencer, the search, campaigns, strategy, etc. But essentially, what this is it's something we use to manage correspondence so that we can reach out to influencers online at scale. And by that we mean, instead of working with 10 influencers at a time, we could work with several hundred. And the engine will inform you of when it's time to follow up, and as well as other stats such as who you've sent product to. It can all be lumped into this view here. So what you're viewing here is an admin's account, so you can literally see everything. Depending on your position, you may not be able to view all of this. But let's go to give you a more in-depth. Here is a marketer's view. So you can see some real stats here. And so these will be displayed. A completed campaign is one that they've followed through with their commitment of putting up a blog post or a video. New campaigns, these are ones that have been assigned to you that you've not reached out to. Requiring action means it's been 2 weeks since you've corresponded with a person who has product. It's time to follow up with them. Waiting on a response, that could be anything. That could be campaigns you just started reaching out to, and they have not acknowledged any of your emails yet. It could be people you're working with, etc. Total active campaigns, those are, it's every active campaign. So, a lot of these are self-explanatory. I'm not going to go into great detail on them. If you scroll all the way down, here are partner stats. So these are people that have product. We've created preferred partner or affiliate accounts. We prefer to call it preferred partner because it's less salesy. And let's see here, revenue generated. So you can sort through that, get familiar. But the dashboard view is it's kind of like the home page. Some of these you can click on. Influencers, go in here, you can create, you can search for one. Because it's an admin account, you can create a specific category, view categories, etc. Campaign, search for one that you're currently working with. Strategy is it's based on the premise of experimenting, testing out new things. So when you do an experiment and you run it with a specific type of influencer with a specific demographic, you want to be able to tag it. So that you can actually assess that data later on. Playbooks is where we would put something that has been proven out, that we know how it works, and we just tag it with a playbook. So for example, we know that sending product to a YouTuber who focuses on beauty for the brand Smile Brilliant is effective, and it's something that is a part of our what we do to market the product. There's not a whole lot left to prove out. So it's just a play that we run. Same goes with Instagram and blogs. So this strategy section is very new. It's not being utilized to its fullest, but it will be shortly. Links, something interesting in here. There's another feature when you're at a marketer view. It'll show you links that went down so that you could reach out to them and ask them, hey, it looks like a link's broken. Prospecting is a tool that we use to find new influencers. Essentially, it crawls another database, and it'll basically find people that aren't in the engine that we could put in it for any one of these social media channels. Users, you probably won't see that. You can adjust your account data here, passwords, and this would only be available in admin. And then there are some tutorials. So if you're wondering what a particular campaign description status is. You can click on this and it'll kind of give you a brief explanation of what this is and when you would use it. And the prospecting status, the same would go for that as well. So that is it for this overview video. You can watch the others to get a more in-depth look at the things that I just briefly touched on. And I will see you soon.